Mahirap ang LDR relationship. Kaya naman marami ang ayaw pumasok sa sitwasyon na ito. Kaya nga ang ibang nasa LDR na relasyon ay nagiging chatmate na lamang. Tunghayan ang kwento ng isang mag-asawang may LDR na relasyon at kung paano nila nakayanan ito. Narito ang kwento ng isang mag-asawa na tila chatmate na lang ang naging sitwasyon nila dahil sa LDR o long distance relationship. Inyong matutunghayan sa video na ito ang love story nila at ating alamin na kahit LDR relationship, sila'y nananatili pa ring matibay ang relasyon. Kung paano kami nagkakilala. Let me give you a brief story kung paano at saan kami nagkakilala ng asawa ko ngayon. His nickname is Miko. We met in college. We have the same school. First year college ako and third year naman siya. Part siya ng ROTC, start ng first semester noon. Naglilibot siya per room to introduce the ROTC para makarecruit ng mga freshmen na sumali sa kanila. While he is discussing about ROTC, one of my classmates asked me to get his number and I did it. I asked his number in front of about 50 students and I don't mind it because I just did it for my classmate. Wala naman akong balak sumali ng ROTC that time. Kaso, nasaraduhan ako ng subject na NSTP and ROTC lang ang pwedeng maging alternative for that. Kaya napilitan akong i-text si Miko and I asked him if I can join pa in the ROTC. After that, we became textmate, friends, and eventually, he expressed his love for me and sinagot ko na din siya. I'm happy to be with him. Palagi kaming magkasama at nagkikita since we are in the same school until he graduated from college. Even if he has work already, he always fetches me sa school kaya palagi pa rin kaming nagkikita. Years have passed. I also graduated and find a job na so we are both working na. His job is a sales representative and I am an HR assistant that time. Then, I remember one day while we are in the car, he told me that he wants to pursue his career in the army. Sinabi niya na pagsisisihan ko kapag hindi ko sinubukan. When I heard those words, I told him to go on and do what will make him happy. Kasi ayaw ko naman na magsisi siya sa huli. Then he said, kaya lang pag naging army na ako, magkakalayo na tayo, sabi ko. Let's try first. Pag nahirapan tayo, saka na lang tayo mag-decide kung maghihiwalay na lang tayo. In 2014, he joined the army and undergone several trainings. Our communication is mostly on chat and text. Once or twice a day, he was able to reach out to me. Paminsan-minsan, nakakatawag din. Nakakapagkita kami twice a year kapag may break siya. Sobrang hirap ng adjustment from everyday mo nakikita, suddenly, naging chatmate mo na lang siya. Mahirap at malungkot ang LDR. Madaming moments ang hindi mo ma-enjoy like Valentine's Day, birthdays, holiday season, and the like. When you had a bad day, there's nobody na mapagsasabihan mo o madadamayan ka on the spot. At kapag naman kailangan mo ng katulong, wala siya para masagot ako agad. Mas lalong naging mahirap yung situation after his trainings kasi he was assigned in far-flung areas in Mindanao. Lalong naging bihira ang communication. There are times na we don't communicate for weeks, especially noong Marawi siege at kapag may operations sila. I repeatedly asked myself, ito ba talaga yung gusto kong buhay? Yung may partner ka nga, pero parang wala naman. Tapos, minsan, ang tagal na hindi magpaparamdam, hindi mo alam kung may nangyari na bang masama sa kanya. Mapapaisip ka kung napasabak na ba sa labanan. However, mas nanaig pa rin yung love ko for him. So, I accepted our situation and eventually, nasanay na rin ako. Nakontento na rin ako sa mga minsanan na pag-uusap namin through chat. Pati na sa once in a year na pagkikita namin kapag binigyan siya ng short break. Iniisip ko na lang at least he was able to pursue the career that he loved at wala siyang pagsisisihan kasi I gave my full support to him. Now, we are already married with one toddler and we were able to manage our long-distance relationship. Minsan, we make fun of our situation na lang. We teased each other as chatmate. The three biggest factors siguro kung bakit kami nag-succeed in this kind of relationship is because of love, commitment, and trust for each other. Then, I realized hindi lang pala yung mga army ang matatapang at malakas ang loob. Behind every army is a loved one who is also strong and brave enough to face the sadness, longing, and worries for their man.